Most people think aging begins when they see their first wrinkle, but that's not really where it starts. Your skin doesn't suddenly age at 50. It changes little by little. Skin gets thinner, elasticity drops, and collagen changes. But around menopause, things speed up. Here's the shocking number, about 30%. Imagine your collagen as 100 tiny cushions. Now, take 30 away. 100 becomes 70. Ouch. Less collagen means less support underneath your skin. And it doesn't stop there. Collagen keeps declining. So what do? We buy more skincare. But wait, do more products really mean younger-looking skin? So I asked a different question. What's happening to our skin cells? One important piece of the puzzle is oxidative stress. Then I found this research. A 2024 study tested this technology on human skin cells. And that's why Mizumare caught my attention. I stopped thinking only about wrinkles and started thinking about the skin environment.